back to our final episode, where we continue our journey with Kai and Bob on the search for his dad. And who knows if we're gonna find him today. And our topic for today is gonna be the broadcast command. We have used it before, but I want to dive in a little deeper and show you how else you can use it. So let's not wait around. Come with me. So here we are, back in Scratch in our editor, and we already set up the scene in Rocket for Bob and Kai to have a conversation. Now, we need to make sure that we start there where we left off the last time. And if you remember, we set up these commands where we again used the broadcast command in order to show, make them show up in this scene. And here we're going to continue. And we're going to start with a robot actually, and he's going to talk a little bit where they're actually heading. And so we need the say command, just like in the first conversation that they had. And he's going to say, so now we are heading to Paradiso. Okay, so we got that. But instead of now using the wait command to match it up with whatever Kai is saying, we're gonna use the broadcast command instead. So we're gonna move, we go to events, and then we're gonna go to broadcast, take the broadcast, but obviously we don't want to send it to Rocket, neither show, but we want to send it to Kai, so we're gonna name it Kai, and then we press enter. So now we're gonna send over a notice to Kai, so that Kai knows, okay, now is my cue. On Kai's end, of course, we need to take the when I receive, so he received the prompt, and now he can talk and answer the robot. And obviously we need the say command again. We put it here, and then Kai's gonna ask, is that where we going to meet my dad? Okay, so, and maybe, obviously this is a question, so we want a question mark, and maybe we want to have it for a little longer, not just 2 seconds, so let's increase it to 3 seconds. So, okay, now we do the same thing again, but in the other direction. So we're gonna send a message over to Bob. So we go back to controls. Actually, it's not controls, it's events, and we're gonna take a broadcast again. We put it here, but obviously not Kai. This time we call it Bob. So we call it Bob, press enter, and now we're gonna send a message back to Bob. So now Bob can answer that. Let's move this a little to the side, so we have a little bit more space, like so, and then we're gonna list the conversation right below it. Okay, now we need the receiving end, and now Bob can respond. Okay, and so Bob is now gonna say, no. We just need some fuel. No, that's how you spell fuel. And supplies for the journey ahead. So this is also a bit longer, therefore we're going to increase this, let's say 4 seconds. Okay, now we're going to use the broadcast command again. And by now you probably know where to find it. So it's under events. We take the broadcast command, but this time we don't take Kai, neither Bob, but we actually need to create yet another message for Kai. Because the reason for that is if we use the same, then the previous message that Kai said would be displayed twice, like at the same time. Therefore, we need to send a separate message. So we can call this Kai 2. And we press enter, and now we can go back to Kai. We receive it again, and here let's also move this a bit to the side so we have a bit more space. And we take the receiving end right here, and obviously it's not Bob, but it's Kai 2. And now let's go back to looks and take the say command, and well, obviously now they're going to this planet called Paradiso, but like Kai's dad is not there, so Kai is like, where is he then? Where is he then? Okay, that one we can leave it 2 seconds because that should be enough. In order for that now, if we want to check this out, we can do the following. But before we do that, let's do the next broadcast over to Bob, and then we can trigger it to see how it looks like. So let's go back to events, take another broadcast. We do the same thing that we did for Kai. So now we say Bob 02, and now we go back to Bob, receive that message, and we say something one more time, and now the shocker. I don't know. What? Bob doesn't even know what Kai's dad is? That is so strange. So let's first check out how all this looks like, and we can do this by just triggering this. And as you can see, like the whole conversation is running just like we had before, but now we don't have this like need to check, okay, did I wait enough? Because as it is running, it just sends a message, okay, the other one receives the message, then you can talk, and then the message gets sent again, and so on and so forth. And so now we are at the end of this episode, but there's something missing, right? So now let's review what we have done so far. We're gonna now go into full screen and look at our little story. So in order to go full screen, we go up here and click on this, and now let's play it. So what is going on here? Hi, I'm Bob. My master sent me to pick you up. Who's your master? He's your father. Take me to it. So they fly off. So now we are heading to Paradiso. Is that where we're going to meet my dad? No, we just need some fuel and supplies for the journey ahead. Where is he then? I don't know. So here comes the part where you're gonna have to take over and write the ending of the story. Where is his dad? Who is his dad? Is he on another planet? What is he doing? That is up for you to decide. So, and when you've done so, please share it. You can post it below the video with a link, or you can tell me what you did. I would be happy to see that and read that, and of course I would also reply to your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at Kidbits.